Okay, nobody told me that there were going to be stray dogs on the beach in Panama. I am on the Pacific side at Playa Blanca, and literally I was down at the beach taking photos, you know, getting content super early in the morning, and out of nowhere, like, I hear all these pitter pats coming toward me, and I look down and it's a whole dog. And I was like, where did this dog come from? I thought it was somebody's dog and they was going to come look for it, but nobody did. So I like started recording a video because the dog wasn't approaching me like in an aggressive manner. Like, I didn't feel like it was about to attack me, but I also am not like a big stray animal person, period. Like, even the domestic animals, it'd be like, I don't know what you want. So this dog approaches me. I start recording because I'm like, wow, this is something I should probably document, like this dog. And as I start recording, 2 more dogs came up out of nowhere, like, and you'll see it in the video. And I was like, where are y'all's owners? Like, and then they started playing like with my tripod. I think they thought that it was a toy or something, and I was like, no, stop, bad. Like, I wasn't yelling at it because I didn't want to make it aggressive, but like, I was like, bruh, y'all gotta go somewhere. So they tried to mess with me for a few minutes, and then eventually, like, I guess they seen I wasn't about to play with them and went on about their business. And that's when I realized, like, oh, y'all are just dogs at the beach. Like, y'all just for the beach. Y'all just out here playing with anybody. Y'all don't have no home. So, and literally, as I'm sitting here making this video, there is literally a stray dog sleeping right there in front of me, further proving my point. Like, it's just be stray dogs on the beach. So that is something of note.